Hello, Rob. Hi, this is Tony Finley here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. And hey, Rob, I want to thank you for contacting us on this beautiful 2017 Elantra. Now, this here is exact one that you inquired by the stock number. This is the red with the tan interior. This is going to give you the value package on it here. This also gives you the sunroof, gives you the push button start, gives you the Bluetooth, gives you Apple Play and Android capability on, gives you the backup camera on. This vehicle get outstanding gas mileage, get 35, 36 miles to the gallon on the highway. Comes with an outstanding warranty, the best warranty in America. Here you have a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which we double to 20 years, 200,000 miles, at no cost and no strings attached. It also comes with a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty and 5 years unlimited roadside assistance. Now, Rob, right now, we have the remaining 17s in. They have some great incentives, and we have an outstanding sale. So give me a call, Tony Finley, at 205-380-6250, or hit me on my personal cell at 205-335-3988. Let's set up a time for you to come in and take a look at this vehicle, test drive it. I guarantee you great price and a great service here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, 1 mile up the road from the Galleria, where you're going to love the way you've been treated.